tutorial, I will be talking about roses and how to fix them if they get broken while you're working with them. If you like this type of tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new tutorial. Gumpaste flowers are really delicate, and when you're working with wedding cakes and you need to move fast, accidents will happen. Keep in mind, this trick is not meant for competition cakes. In competition cakes, you need to have your best flowers out there. So if you break a petal, you need to make a new rose. But for a wedding cake, you can hide it. And this is my trick. Most of the time, this happens when you're positioning flowers and you break one petal. If you have a clean break, you can reattach it. It won't be a perfect attachment, but you can use the flower and it won't be noticeable. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the petal fits well where it goes. Then you take a piece of the same gum paste you used for the flower and you roll it thinly to the size of where the petal broke. I flatten this a little bit with my fingers and then add some glue. As you can see, I am attaching this to the inside of the petal. Once I do that, I cut it to size. And then I add more glue to the extra part I just added. Then I attach it to the flower. You can use a needle tool or a dressing tool to make sure that it's attached to the petal and smooth out as much as you can. You want to let this dry, or if you're in a hurry and you need to finish the cake, you can add another piece to the outside of the petal. As you can see at this point, the petal is holding tightly. So if you let it dry, it will have a strong bond. But I am in a hurry and I need to finish my cake. So I am going to add another piece of gum paste to the outside. Just roll another thin piece of gum paste and flatten it, and you can cut it to the size of the area that you need. Now add some glue and you can attach the piece to the area that is broken. Smooth it out as much as you can. I'm not trying to make this disappear because it won't, but I'm making sure that it's attached really well and is holding strongly. Once you're done with this, you can paint it in the same color you painted your flower. You can add a calyx and hide the cut as much as you can. Remember, when you're placing this on your cake, you want to place it in such a way that this part won't be visible. As you can see, now I have a perfect flower. Nobody will see it has a broken petal, and I can use it straight away and finish my cake. Soon I will be posting a tutorial on how to make these easy, beautiful, fast roses in my website. So keep in touch with me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, visit me in Facebook, share your work with me, and visit me in Instagram. Until next time, ta-ta!